welcome back to the AFI DIY Lab. I'm Katie and today I'll be teaching you how to make a wax look just like a whipped cream to top off your candles. It's super easy and lots of fun, so let's get into it. To make whipped wax, you'll want to make sure the wax you're using is relatively soft. A very firm wax made for sturdy pillar candles isn't ideal for whipping. With that being said, I'll be using IGI 4630. The amount of wax you use is dependent on your project. I've measured mine out to be about 8 ounces in total. Keep in mind that it'll grow in volume when you whip it later. We're going to place our cubed wax in our heating element of choice. I'll be using a glass bowl and a double boiler because it's a lot easier to control the temperature. I've turned the hot plate on high. For now, we just have to let the wax fully melt. Alright, my wax is completely melted, so I'm going to remove it from the double boiler now. If you'd like to add fragrance at this point, check to make sure the temperature is where it needs to be for your specific type of wax. Since we're at about 182, we're ready to go ahead and add our fragrance. Today I'll be using AFI Vanilla Cream. I had it pre-measured in my bottle, so I just poured that right in. So now we're going to go ahead and stir. The scent definitely matches this whipped look. Now that it's all mixed in, we're going to go ahead and let it begin cooling. This is a key part for making fluffy whipped cream like wax and allow it to begin solidifying but not harden all the way. Watch closely as the wax cools. It'll soon become milky and white and develop a film on top. Then you know it's ready to whip. You can use a fork, whisk, or mixer of any kind to blend the wax. I'll be using my whisk attachment on my immersion blender and I found that it works great. Now that it's reached our desired consistency, I'm going to go ahead and put this in a piping bag with the frosting tip. I have a bunch of candles pre-made and now I'm going to go ahead and frost them. As you can see, I piped the wax all around the wick, being sure not to go too high above the lip of your container. From here, you can really spice up the candle by sprinkling some mica powder or placing some wax embeds on top of the dessert theme. Now your candles just need to cure for 24 hours and they'll be ready to burn. Don't forget to trim the wicks about 1/4 of the inch before getting them to burn. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. This whipped wax topping can be used for many different candle designs. With added colorants and embeds, there's no limit on what you can make. Check out our socials linked down below for some project inspiration, and don't forget to look through our channel's DIY playlist for more products to find. We hope this video made you want to get creative with your next candle project. Like and subscribe to show your support for AFI, and we'll have some new content coming out in no time. See y'all next time. Bye!